tomorrow.
What? I was
Right?
thinking another.
Oh, no, yeah, you were. So we have a quiz tomorrow over this stuff that we've been doing. So let me remind you how to do a composition of functions. First of all, delete that 3. It's supposed to be an X. Yes. What'd you say to me? What did you say to me?
Literally.
Oh. He's let's do this. You ready? Oh, now he's sleeping. Why is he sleeping? That's crazy. All right. So look, I'm a divider. Ah, missed. Go.
Bro, how's it to go?
How is he?
Yeah.
No, he's not. We're making fun of this other student who was saying Bam is the GOAT because he had one good game. And it was against the Wizards. They have like teen amount of wins. And like they're like the worst team in the league. And they like fouled him on purpose. It was all cooked. There needs to be an investigation, a full scale investigation on that fake. Bam, Abadi. Because he had an 83-point game, but it was cooked. The whole thing was cooked.
We had like 4
Spunk.
throws.
Yeah, exactly. He had. Okay, look. Do you know that back in the day, you know Shaq, right? When Shaq, by the way, Shaq went to high school in San Antonio. Did you know that? Okay, but Shaq, when he would, and he met him. When Shaq would play, teams would literally foul him on purpose, so he would shoot free throws because he was not good at it, right? In fact, the Spurs played him one time, and they call it, yeah, was it hack a Shaq? And like literally the first second they foul him to get in his head and just to have him miss free throws. Now, you would think that they would foul him a lot. But he was only fouled, like his max was 30 something times. But that Bam guy was fouled 40 something times. That is unheard of. It's cooked. Someone got paid. You know it's okay, anyways. All right, look up the conspiracies on YouTube, but not right now because you don't have a Chromebook, right? All right. Do that outside of class. I didn't during my class. All right, now, ready? F of g of x. Remember, when you see that little O, you write it like this. F of, parentheses, g of, parentheses, x. Now, what is g of x? What do I need to put right here? G of x is
3.
3x is going to go right here. So I'm going to put f of 3x. Okay? Now, look at f of x up here. Wherever I see x, I'm going to put 3x. Okay? So instead of x squared plus 4, it's going to be 3x instead of x squared plus 4. Now, can you square the 3 and square the x? What's 3 squared? 3 times 3? No, not 3 times 2. 9. And x squared is x squared. And bring down the plus 4. That's it.
That's it.
Now, on your assignment,
From yesterday.
I'll stick it up there. The assignment from yesterday, that's actually one of your problems. So you got a freebie on yesterday's assignment. Does everyone have yesterday's assignment? Because if not, it's in the blue bin. You need to go get it. You need to finish your assignment from yesterday. Finish those formatives. Okay? 325, 326. I'm about to put those in. And then we have a little examinito tomorrow. So make sure you're, doing your
I
work.
wasn't going to come tomorrow.
Oh,
Because,
dang.
it was like,
So you're going to make it a 4-day weekend?
no, but I'm going to.
Okay. No. All right.